Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to create a poll on a WhatsApp community. Follow these steps to engage your community members with polls. 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device to get started. 2. Navigate to the desired community where you want to create the poll. 3. Once in the community, tap on Announcements to access the announcement feature. 4. Look for the attachment icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. 5. Within the attachment options, locate and tap on the poll icon. 6. You will then be prompted to add a question for the poll and input various options for community members to choose from. 7. After filling out the question and options, tap on the send arrow icon to post the poll in the community. By following these simple steps, you can easily create engaging polls within your WhatsApp community, allowing members to participate and share their opinions on various topics. Creating polls is a great way to interact with your community members, gather feedback, and make decisions based on popular opinions. Start creating polls today to enhance the engagement and interactivity within your WhatsApp community. We hope this guide helps you in creating polls on your WhatsApp community effectively. Thank you for watching.